Do you know what is the secret of practicing karma yoga and getting rid of all our pains and sufferings in life? It is by the right use of the faculty of our intellect or our buddhi. Lord Shri Krishna has now started revealing the Buddhi Yoga or the Karma Yoga. Lord Shri Krishna says that in Karma Yoga, even the highest achievement of self-realization is possible because the man works with single-pointed determination, with concentrated mind. So those who perform actions with endless desires for results, they dissipate and they disintegrate their inner personality. So we shall go very deep into this aspect of single-pointed focus of Karma Yoga. So stay with us till the end, and if you have not subscribed till now, I suggest you to subscribe to this channel now so that you do not miss out on the forthcoming lectures in this series. But before we start, kindly allow me to pay my gratitude to my Guru. Om Ram Shri Kanhaiya Lal Sharmaye Namah. Om Shri Guruve Namah. Lord Shri Krishna says, Vyavsayatmika buddhi eke kuru nandana bahushaka hayantasya buddhyo vyavsayanam. He says, O Kuru Nandan, the buddhi or the intellect of those who are on this path, which means on the path of Karma Yoga, are Vyavsayatmika, which means they are resolute in purpose and their aim is one. But the intellect of those who are avyavsayanam, that is irresolute, is bahushakha, that means many branched. So faith in God is only one concentrated thought. For a man who is determined and has a single pointed focus, though he may be engaged in hundreds of things, but deep within his mind, there is only one affirmation, that of the ever-pervading one consciousness. His mind is firmly fixed on God, so much so that he sees God in everyone around him. He sees God in all that he does. This is unshakable faith. He surrenders the fruits of his karma to God. But those who have not cultivated this single-minded faith, they find that their minds, they are attached to worldly objects. So their mind is prone to get attracted towards the objects of his attachment. It could be your sensual feelings, or it could be a person to which you are attached, or our power and attachment to name and fame, or attachment to a bodily comfort, and so on and on. Now remember one thing, the manas or the mind as we call it is the controller of our senses. When we are talking of mind, this mind is not the same as that our intellect or our buddhi. So Lord Shri Krishna is bringing the intellect or our buddhi into this topic of attachment. And there is a very strong reason why he introduces the concept of buddhi here. Our manas or our mind, along with chit, ahankar and buddhi or our intellect, they all together constitute our antakarna. Our antakarna, receives sensations from outside, from the senses, and then decide what is good and what is bad for us, what is harmful and what is beneficial for us. But we must remember one thing, that intellect is superior to the mind. It controls the mind. So when the intellect is strong, or we say that buddhi is pure, the mind would follow whatever the intellect guides it. For example, if the intellect decides that money is the source of happiness and money is the most important thing in the life, then the mind, it would constantly run towards money-making ideas. Say if the intellect decides that name and fame is the most important thing in life, then the mind will keep craving for name and fame. So this indicates that the mind is under the influence of our intellect or buddhi. But the moment our intellect becomes clouded, they say buddhi brushed ho gayi. Whenever the buddhi is brushed, the mind and the ego, they together form a gang. Then our ego mind, that starts driving our life. Then our mind starts running towards the things that are desired by our ego, even if they are harmful to us. You know, all our addictions, whether it is addiction to alcohol or addiction to tobacco or even our social media addictions, they are a result when our ego mind overpowers our intellect. So, if you wish to achieve fulfillment, success and peace in life, you must purify the intellect with true knowledge and use it to control and guide the mind in a proper direction. So Buddhi Yoga is the art of detaching the mind from the fruits of actions. It is the art of surrendering the results of our karmas to God. When we evolve our intellect, we can cultivate a single-minded focus on the goal and traverse that path like a bullet which is released from the gun. When we are steadfast in our sadhana, our resolve becomes so strong that nothing can deter us from our path. But those whose intellect is clouded, they are unable to control their mind from running into various directions. They are unable to develop that focus of mind and that one-pointedness that is required to achieve success and achievement in life. How many of you have done this physics experiment in your school days? So when you make the rays of the sun pass through a convex lens, then they converge and they focus. Their energy gets so concentrated that it can burn a paper which is kept beneath it. This is the power of one-pointed focus. The real spiritual aspirant, single-pointed on God alone, he remains steadfast in his aim and he quickly reaches that ultimate goal of self-realization. You know, we are all spiritual warriors. We must constantly keep fighting our inner enemies of ego gratification and sense attractions. When our intellect becomes pure, our buddhi is able to start controlling the lower mind. Our purified buddhi, it keeps the mind away from the worldly distractions and from the waves of emotional disturbances. This evolved intellect, this alone can help us cultivate a single-minded focus and an unwavering resolve to achieve all our biggest goals. It is then we start rewriting our own destiny. It is then we start designing an extraordinary life for ourselves. I am your brother guide to prosperity, and my mission is to help you realize the dreams of your life and help you achieve something worthwhile in life for which your family, your parents and your children could be proud of. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.